How to get $100 In-N-Out burger promo code. Open up a preferred browser on your PC or your mobile device. Search for In-N-Out promo code. In here, you will find various options dealing with In-N-Out promo code. You can select any one from here. For an example, I've selected one. You will find various promo code that you can use for, and you will also find how legit it is and also the expiration date. Tap on the one that you find interesting to you. Then to get the code, just tap on copy. Tap on inandout.com to redeem the code in instance. You will be redirected to In-N-Out Burger official webpage. Now if you want to redeem this code, you have to purchase some of the items from In-N-Out. While checking out, in the promo code dialog box, you have to paste the code that you just copied. There are chances it is already applied. Now just go ahead and purchase your food item with the promo code that you just received. Did you know? In-N-Out is older than most of us. It was founded in 1948. Since then, it has become one of the beloved fast food chains known for its fresh and delicious burgers. We hope that you will order up some delicious burgers for you as well. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.